Hey guys, what's up? What's up? And welcome to my channel. Are you new to me? Thank you for stopping in. It's your girl Georgette, and a little bit about my channel is that I strive to inspire you and to motivate you. And in doing so, you may just transform your lives like I have done through the law of attraction and manifestation. So let's dig right into it and hold on to your subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe later on the end. Yes, it's all about energy here. And today I'm going to give you the number one law of attraction tip. Now, a lot of people do a lot of stuff in practicing the law of attraction, which I do as well. So the scripting, I script every day. Affirmations, I do affirmations in the morning and in the evenings, right as I wake up after meditation and going to bed. Then we meditate as well. We visualize as well. And all of that is a part of the law of attraction. Yes. But this right here, I talk a lot about it. And even on my Facebook page, I do a lot of lives and I talk about it. But I think that people disregard this and push it aside. And it is so simple. It's how we're feeling all day long. I guarantee you. You can do all the journaling, scripting. You can do all the meditation. You can do all the affirmations. And when you get up out of that, if you're not feeling good because you owe the bills, because someone died, because your marriage isn't working out, if you get out of that meditation or whatever it is, and you're not feeling good all day long, then you need to start focusing. And I'm going to challenge you. What I do is from moment to moment throughout the day, it's like a quiz I give myself. Georgette, how are you feeling right now? Something just transpired. I just got a phone call. Georgette, how are you feeling right now? How are you feeling right now, Georgette? You came upon a hurdle in the business. How are you feeling right now? Guys, I promise you, the law of attraction is attracting our reality every second of the day. If you're feeling fearful and stressed, the law of attraction is at work. It will give you more of that because it thinks that you must like to feel fearful and stressful, so it gives you more of that. But if you're feeling happy and bubbly, guess what? You are going to see, and I have been seeing that, lots of little things just happening in your favor. You will have a friend just call you up, just call you to take you to lunch, and I'm paying for lunch. Oh, I just got 2 tickets, one for you and myself, and we're going to the ball game or whatever. Just little things to make you feel happy, just to test you. If you're really a happy person, you're gonna get little things here, little things there. And then if you remain happy and continue that vibration, you start to see bigger things happen in your life. Guys, I promise you, let me say this to you. I am so aware of how I am feeling all day long. I promise you. If I'm on a phone call, and this just happened this evening, I hung up on the person, and I don't take a lot of phone calls, but I had to take that call. And the conversation wasn't real. It wasn't a negative conversation, but just one word was said. And I said, I have to go now. Talk to you later. It was not going. You see, we have to make that decision for ourselves. Are you going to stay on the phone and listen to someone bitching or going the negative? Are you going to continue to listen to that? Or are you going to make that decision to understand that law of attraction is like just listening, which is just listening for everything, just watching your vibration. Do you understand that, guys? That you can do everything else. Journal, meditate. If you are not feeling good from moment to moment, don't talk about 24 hours. Don't talk about all the waking hours. Just go moment by moment. Like quiz yourself. Just do moment to moment. In this moment right now, as you're watching me, are you stressed about the bills? Are you worried about something? Then you are going to attract more things to make you worry and to make you fearful and to make you stressed. You know, it is simple, but it's not easy, because a gentleman I was talking to, and he asked me, Georgette, when things are not going well for you, how do you stay feeling good? That's a big question. But it's easy for me because I've had things go south when I wanted to go north. The thing for me, and I understand and I detect things, when things are breaking down around me, one of the things that really is truly life-saving for me is affirmation. Once I start to scream, I mean really scream, some powerful affirmations like, I am strong, I am powerful, everything I need is within me now. For me, I don't know if that's for everyone, but for me, it's like confirmation for me that yes, something is breaking down around you right now, Georgette, but everything you need is within you and it's gonna be okay. And so I go into powerful affirmations to soothe the moment. And that's what you want, just to soothe the moment. And then I would go into meditation to still my voice. I would also do a guided meditation because the voice is so noisy. All you're going to think about is what's breaking down around you. But when you understand that how you are feeling is what you're attracting to you, from moment to moment, guys, I promise you, this is the number one tip. I promise you. You can do all the above that I mentioned earlier. And if you don't feel good, all that you have done won't work. It won't. Because you're attracting to you that which you are. Are you happy? Then you're going to get more things to make you happy and smiling. It's the truth. But if you're sad, even though you meditated this morning, and even though you're going to meditate tonight, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. And you journal this morning, and you're going to journal tonight, and you did your gratitude journal, and you did affirmations, and you're still not feeling good, guess what you're going to get? Things to make you feel bad. So that's the number one tip, guys. I mean, everything. When you're happy, I promise you, I radiate joy, guys, all day long. All day long, I'm happy and smiling because I understood. I was always a happy person before. But when I learned this, that this is the game changer, how I am feeling, that I am attracting what I am feeling, let me tell you, it doesn't matter what anyone say to me. You could call me out of my name, Georgette Thurston. I don't care because I'm not that person. Anything anyone has to say to me, I say, darling, it is not like that. Sweetie, I love you. I give love. I tell people I love them all day long. And that's why I'm getting so much love in my life. I have family members just telling me they love me. I'm like, ooh, ooh. Because I just radiate love. I give love. Anybody. You will never get under my skin anymore now that I understand this number one tip, this number one rule in the law of attraction, that this is the game changer. This is where you get the good stuff by feeling good. This is it right here. When I learned that's why I'm manifesting so much right now. That is why I am just manifesting so much right now. That's why, because I'm feeling good and I'm getting things to make me feel even better. And then soon it's going to be good, better than best. I'm going to be at my best with manifestations. And so, guys, I promised you, do a moment to moment check, like a quiz. Say an hour go by. Just pause for a minute and say, how am I feeling right now? Am I feeling happy? Am I feeling joyful? Or say to yourself, what am I attracting at this moment? Oh, that's a big one. I like to say that too. I like to say to myself, Georgette, what are you attracting right now? And if I'm not feeling good, I'm going to put some music on. I'm going to dance. I'm going to say some powerful affirmations because I want to attract all good. I promise you, if you're happy, if you are feeling joyful within, if you raise your vibration, I promise you, from your health, you'll be getting good reports from your health checkups. You'll be getting you will just see synchronicities all around you. Just great things are happening. I'm hearing the birds chirping outside. I've never heard like that before. Just wonderful things. And I would listen again. I'm like, nice. And I so appreciate it. I've lived here for years. I've never heard the birds the way I've seen the birds. And I was telling someone the other day, I saw 3 golden hens out my window the other day. Then, a couple days later, I saw 10. I'm not living in the desert or in the country. I live in the city. Where did they come from? I saw 10 golden hens. And when I looked through the window, I said, oh my gosh, the abundance is just flowing in my life. Because, guys, I promise you, and not that things don't happen. I could write you a book right now. Things that happening around. But once I learned this, number 1 tip, my vibration, to keep my vibration, to look at where I'm at in my vibration from moment to moment. Once I learned that, and once I learned that I can meditate, I could journal, I could do affirmations, I could do everything, and still I will not be attracting what I want because I'm not feeling good, because I'm feeling stressed about something, even though I am doing the meditation and the scripting and all of that. Once I learned that, then I am more concerned about how I am feeling more than anything else throughout a 24-hour period. My waking hours, I am more concerned about feeling good and smiling and laughing than about anything else. So guys, I hope you got some value. And this is the number 1 tip in the law of attraction, is raising your vibration, is feeling happy. And I promise you, the entire scope of your life will start to change. Even though bad things are happening, find something. Is it music? Stop in your track wherever you are, put some music on and dance. For me, music is second. For me, it's affirmation, because I have to remind myself that I can do this, that I am strong, and that I don't need to worry because everything that I need is within me now. That's a big affirmation for me. Once I learned this vibration that I didn't know, it changed my life. And at this moment, so many great and wonderful things are happening in my life. And I'm so grateful that I've learned the law of attraction, the number 1 tip. And I'm going to leave a link below that will teach you even in depth more how to attract what you want to you fast and in a hurry. Check out the link below, the step-by-step guide, and I'm leaving a free gift for you as well. So I hope, guys, that you really gain some value. I hope you like my video. I hope you liked me. And so, if you haven't subscribed, this is the time to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's get the word out. Leave a comment for me and interact with your girl. YouTube loves interaction, guys. And I do too. I really do respond to all of your comments. And so I'm going to leave videos popping up. Stay on my channel. Keep watching as they're popping up. Take care. I love you so much. I send you love and light. Bye now. Mwah.